Hello again and welcome back. Thanks must go to Rob for providing more excellent footage for the channel as we make our way along the A52 from Leek towards Ashbourne. We're about to make our first turning. It's at Mayfield and it's left onto the B5032 signposted Uttoxeter. Here's that turn, the B5032. Follow the road for 2 3/4 miles to Ellastone. There's nothing of any concern along this stretch, so we're going to skip through some of it. Look out for the bungalow on the left there. Go over the small humpback bridge and your next turning is coming up real soon. It's off to the right. Here's that turning now. It's signposted Stanton. Once you've made the turn, follow the road for 180 metres and the site entrance will be on the right hand side. And here we are at Greenacres Bungalow CL near Ellastone in Derbyshire. Thanks once again to Rob for providing the footage and to you two for watching. Until next time, cheers.